Wires. I hate wires, but wires love me. I can't avoid. But I'm avoiding this mess by using this wireless earbuds. Let's check it out. Hello YouTube, I am Adi here, and today I've got this wireless earbuds that is newly launched by Boats, the Airdopes 170. I purchased it myself for 1300, however the price has increased to 1500 probably by now. So this is the retail unit I've purchased. This is not sent by Boat, or this is not any kind of review unit. So let me just unbox it and give a complete review about this, so please stay tuned. This packs in a lot of good features. As you can see, it comes with quad mics with ENX technology, total playtime of 50 hours once charged completely, and Bluetooth version 5.3 and IPX4 water resistance, beast mode, Boat signature sound, 13mm drivers, and once you charge it for just 10 minutes, it can come up to 3 hours, that is 180 minutes of playtime. So these are all the features that have been launched by Boat. So time to unbox this beauty. Okay, so this is a simple box. It contains this particular battery case with the pods inside. Let's open this. Let's see what are all there in the box. Okay, user manual, probably what are the issues and how to connect, etc. Okay, there are still more booklets over here advertising the both products, not required for us. And okay, so this comes with a 1-year warranty, and this is probably the charging cable. Let's open this. Yes, C-type charging cable. There are 3 colors available for this particular model. So one is white, blue and black. I went for this white. Looks pretty good from outside. Very premiumly built plastic case. Looks solid actually, and the weight is also not much. So if you want to charge this, just connect it, and you can see the white light. The 4 white lights indicates the charging. So once it is completely charged, all the 4 lights get static, indicating that it is completely charged. Open this. So you can see from red light it turns to blue light. Blue light indicates that it is automatically turned on. That is the earbuds. They are automatically turned on. Just remove it. And how to connect it to your mobile for the first time. So go to your mobile, Bluetooth, turn it on. So once it is scanned, this is a name that we get over there, Airdopes 170. I'm just pairing it. Pair. And done. And also the features that they have given, like ENX, everything, they're all built in. So there's no need to activate or connect to an app or nothing to do. Everything is pre-activated. Just connect it to your mobile, start using it. The touch functionality is also very simple, and all the functionalities are also very easy to use. A single tap of any of the tab will play or pause the song, right or left bird. Double tap on the right bird will change the track to the next one. Double tap on the left bird will go to the previous track. For call functionalities are also simple on this. If you get a call and if you want to pick it, just single tap on this right side button and it will pick the call, and if you double tap it will cut the call. And also if you directly want to cut the call, then double tap on the left side of this and it will directly cut the call. Google Assistant can be activated by just holding it for 3 seconds over here. However, I found it is not so convenient that it doesn't open up properly. You can see now it opened up. So this is how we activate the Google Assistant, holding it for 3 seconds, not tapping it for 3 seconds. Sorry over there. And also if you want to get to the beast mode on this, the same thing on the right buds, just press it for 3 seconds and you can hear it turning on to beast mode for gaming experience. I have been using this from past 4 days outside and also inside. You can see how much dirty it has become. And to be frank, this is a beast in terms of battery. As you can see, there was 4 dots before and only 2 dots now. So only 2 dots has been reduced after extensive usage of this particular earbud. So as I can say, this is the beast of all the batteries when it comes to the battery backup. The case is very good. Now I'll be doing a battery test of this particular Airdopes, that is just the earbuds. And I've connected to this mobile, and you can see the battery percentage is now at 100%, as you can see over here, and even the mobile battery is also at 100%. What I'll do is I'll watch a movie for 1 hour and after 1 hour we'll see how much battery has been drained or how much has been used by this particular pod. So this is just the pod's battery test, not the case. So let's keep the case aside. So I'll come back after 1 hour. The time is now 10:42. So it's 1 hour 6 minutes exactly for now. Let's see how much battery has been drained in this. So if I go over here, you can see the battery is at 90%. Even the phone battery is also at 90%. So in 1 hour after watching a movie with full sound, it's just 10% that has been drained. So I can say it's very good. I have tested the gaming also with this, and there's not much lag over this, and it's very good over the connectivity. So you don't observe any kind of lag or something. The latency, this one is also very good. Here is a sample clip of the gaming. I have also tested the call quality of this in peak traffic. So here's a sample clip of the recording.
Hello. Hello.
Okay, now I'm currently testing my newly bought Boats Earbuds. Okay. So I'm in peak traffic. So how's my voice? Is it clear? Clear ಆಗಿದೆಯಾ?
ಇದೆ.
ಇದು ಗ್ರಾಫಿಕಲಿ ಏನು ಸೌಂಡ್ ಆ ಥರ ಏನು ಕೇಳಿಸ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ವಾ? ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್ ಆಗಿದೆಯಾ?
ಅಷ್ಟೊಂದು ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್ ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ, ಬಟ್ ಮ್ಯಾನೇಜಬಲ್.
So if you have to rate from 1 to 10, 10 being the highest, how would you rate my voice and the clarity of this sound?
7.
7 is it? Okay, Macha. Thank you so much.
No problem.
So when it comes to the call quality, all I can say is it is good. It is not the best or it is not very good or excellent, because I tested in peak traffic. I could hear it very well, but the other person at the other end, he had some issues in hearing. The sound quality is just excellent. I tried connecting it to both Android and also an iPhone. In both, it produced very good music. The treble, the bass, everything was on sync and it was perfect. And especially if you have Dolby Atmos supported in your mobile, it's just crazy. Any kind of movies or any kind of music, if you want to listen, it's excellent. The 13mm drivers in this do their job very well. So the sound quality is top notch. After using this and testing this, overall I can say it is perfect, it is excellent. When it comes to battery, it's 10 out of 10. It's very good. When it comes to sound quality also, it's perfect. A complete 10 out of 10. When it comes to call quality, it's a little bit of disappointment, but I can't say it is very bad. It is actually good. So I can give a rating of 7 out of 10 for the call quality. When it comes to gaming mode also, there's no lag at all. So you can play the game lag free. And overall I can say a complete rating of 8 to 10 for this. So if you're planning to buy this for the price of around 1500, this is a value for money eardopes. I hope you guys liked the video. Thanks for watching my video. Please do subscribe, like and share the video. Thank you so much guys.